going to discuss about bearing bottom top, bearing bottom off, as well as the two nuts, shaft, those things we are going to create it over here, and also the bolt M10 we can create it. Okay, so for in this one what to do, the bearing bottom top. So this is the bearing bottom, bearing top off, this is the bearing bottom off. So first I am going to create the third part, bearing bottom off. So this is the bearing bottom off. So here they are given two views, sectional front view, side view. Okay, those lengths it will be remains same over here. Okay, so this is the thing they given, and 50 mm length. So select the solid part, go to the revolve protrusion command. So from here to going to draw a 25 mm line, 25 mm line. Then height, so over here that means here the height is the dia is the 50 mm, because so from here to middle the 25 mm it's come over here, so that's what 50 mm dia they given. So from here to 25, so those things I drawn. Again going to select, because both the dimensions are same, that's what I am going to take here, and 25 mm, and towards from here to here how much mm it has to be moved. So from here to here, so what is that means, the dia the maximum length is 50 minus 36, 14 mm. So I have to move 7 mm distance over here, 7 mm. Okay, then I am going to select a line. So moving towards down, so moving towards down, what is the dimension? So 50 minus 38, 12 mm. So the 12 means 6 mm going to draw over down, 6 mm. Okay, then next, so the next you have to come for the 36 minus 22, again 14 mm. So 7 mm distance you have to move over here, 7 mm. Okay, so comes to here 38 minus the next dimension, the small dimension, 38 minus 35, it is the 3 mm. So that it comes as a 1.5 mm distance, 1.5 mm. Now the length, it is the 22 mm. The now length is the 22 mm, and fit, then again height 1.5 mm, and towards left side 7 mm. The same thing I am going to repeat, height 6 mm. So because this length height is drawn as a 6 mm, so the same thing again this length I drawn for the 7 mm. So the 7 mm going to make, 7 mm going to make. So I'm going to not join over here. See over here in this diagram, only the solid part it comes over, only this thing. So these are all the hollow parts. So from this edge to only this much mm going to make a line over here. So what is that line? So from that is the 25 mm. So that from here to 12.5. Okay, so those line if we draw 12.5 mm, then enter, going to draw a straight line over here, then select a trim option. So with the help of trim, this line as well as this line has to be trimmed over here. Then go and select the axis of revolution as a, this is the line going to give return. So now it is the only off, so only off. So what to do, select So bearing top off, bearing bottom off. So see over here, it will becomes like exactly only horizontal 180 degree. So I'm going to provide 180 as a angle, either that or this side, left and right click. So this is common for both bearing top as well as bearing bottom off. But the thing is, bearing top off, it comes as a 4 mm hole. Here 5 mm solid portion has to be comes over here. So how to create those solid part? Rotate. Okay, so here the solid part has come. So for that I'm going to select the revolve protrusion command. This is the revolved plane, mid plane I'm going to select. Okay, so after selecting the mid plane, so from here to 5 mm, I think depth is 5 mm, dia is 6 mm. Okay, so 5 mm and depth is dia is 6 mm, so 3 mm down. So why I am moved towards inside means now that movement also not more length. So what happens, it will give the more length, it will be comes outside. Okay, some little bit. Why? Because of here the curved edge and flat surfaces does not match. So somewhat inside I move and go to the trim extend. This has to be extend to next extended, and this line has to be trimmed over here. Then axis of revolution, I said this line going to give return 360. Okay, left and right click. So the bearing bottom off has to be ready. Bearing bottom off. Okay, so now what happens, already I told you. So this is the dimension. If we given, this is the dimension, I am given more length. What happens, so I'll rotating this, so sometimes it maybe comes out of from here, so that I am going to stop over with the little length. Okay, little extended over here. Okay, so otherwise it will be comes into the other side. That's what I'm going to stop over here. After save this, you can close it. Again go to the solid part, select revolve protrusion, the front view. The same dimension is to be applicable over here. So what is the same dimension? So 50, those dimension 25 and 7, those things and all we drawn. No, same dimension, it can be applicable. So from here to 25 mm and height again 25 and left. So once again I tell you, so left means, so this distance 50 minus 36, 14 mm. 14 means this side 7, other side 7 mm. So that is the thing. So I am going to draw 7 and down. So now we can go with the diameter 50 minus 38, 12 mm. Then down it has to be comes as a 6 mm. 6 mm. Then again 38 minus 22, 14. 14 means 7 mm this side and down. The next is the 38 minus 35, 3. So 1.5 mm. 1.5. Enter. Then 22 mm distance. Enter again. 1.5. So 7, not 7, 6 mm. Sorry, 7 mm. Enter. Height is 6 and 7 mm. same like as the up to 12.5. Enter. Going to draw a straight line. Select the trim option. This is the trim. Even here also select axis of revolution as this. Going to give trim. So now angle as a 180, either this or that one. Now what happens, that is the oil hole having pipe 4 mm throughout. See over here, throughout. So for this go to the cutout option. So this is the plane I am going to select, bottom plane, so middle plane. So please I will show you once again. So this is the plane, which is the plane means this is the plane, then only the hole is coming over here. Go to cutout. This is the plane I am going to select. Going to give 4 mm. So this 4 mm hole created, give return. So throughout and right click. Okay, so from this the higher bearing top off has to be created. So in this one, check over here. So this is only this side only material, so here there is no material. So that's what I selected this plane. Throughout I gave over here. Okay, pipe 4 mm. So that's what it comes over here. Even check over here, the hole has to be comes over here. So you can save over here. So with that, the bearing bottom and top off has to be over. The remaining things we will see in the next video.